going to be rebuilding a carburetor, a single carburetor for a Honda 2002 600 VT deluxe model. This is a single carburetor on this bike. So I already got the kit that I ordered on eBay for a good price, and this is it right here. So first things, I'm going to be putting on my gloves, safety gloves to protect my hands when I remember to do it. So, okay, so now this is the, we're going to be taking off these 4 screws. This is where the bowl is here, and the float, you'll see it when it comes apart. So let's get going. Screws are coming out pretty easy. Hopefully there's no screws in this kit. So, pulling this off, and you can see this cover. Here's this cover, and this is your drain port right here. Loosen up this screw. Loosen up this screw right here, and there's your drain port. You wanted to drain the oil out of this sump. So I guess the first thing we'll do is get rid of this gasket. Even though the gasket doesn't look too bad, but it's a little bit of stuff on there which I don't like. So anyway, I'm gonna pause this for a minute.